Hey everybody, Umar here for Architecture Day Sketches. First of all, I'd really like to apologize for my misinformation from the previous video where I mistakenly said that Cesar Pelli was Italian. He is not. He is in fact Argentinian, and I am so sorry that I got that wrong. Thank you for letting me know, however. Moving forward, I will try and do better. So, it is June right now, and it's time to announce the winners of last month's challenge. Thank you so much to everybody who submitted an entry, and don't forget, after you finish watching this video, please do check out the hashtag Themodmin_MAY18 to look at all the other amazing entries. Anyways, I will start as usual with the honorable mentions, and in no particular order. The first honorable mention goes to Cesar.H_10. He submitted this really sublime pencil sketch. It's so evocative and monumental as well. You really feel the weight of the two towers, especially with the addition of these really nice tiny little human figures at the back. It really gives it that contrast, that scale. Congrats and well done. Next honorable mention goes to Kamenov_Arch, and he submitted also another sublime graphite sketch. It is a pencil sketch with details in pointillism, all of them dotted with all of these little pencil dots. I also find it really evocative as well, especially in the strong sense of depth where he used values to create this almost like a 3D sense. You can feel like the layers of these images being put on top of each other. Really great stuff. Congrats and well done. Next honorable mention goes to Hilman Rushdie. Part manual, part digital, but blended so beautifully together. It's a really distinct sketch style, and it's becoming quite a hallmark of yours. And we're very happy to receive your entries. Congrats and well done. Next honorable mention goes to Edgearc. This is also another very delightful entry. Your drawing always looks like it's telling a story. The story that I get from this is how the iconic form was conceived as part of a layout resolution issue. You can see the footprint of the building as the background here. And it creates kind of like a symbol for basically the shape of the whole building itself. Really cool. Congrats and well done. Next honorable mention goes to Andy Cuadrado. Now this is very complete, and it's incredibly explanatory as well. Nice diagrams, lots of views, and of course this killer perspective dominating the whole presentation. Overall, really nicely done. Congrats and well done. And the next honorable mention goes to Hadamjari02. And this is also another very evocative drawing. It's a splendid view that you have drawn here, and the way that you play with values as well, that is with your shading and lighting, makes the towers just pop out of the page. Congrats and well done. And so on to the winner of the challenge, and the winner is Man Maraki. I love this as an illustration. In spirit, it also feels quite different from a lot of the entries that we usually get, and that novelty is really refreshing. I especially love the use of color. It really helps to make this a very cohesive image and to really place the visual emphasis on the towers in the middle of the drawing. I think this would make a very lovely poster. Congratulations and well done. And that's it. To the winner, we'll be in contact with you shortly to arrange for delivery of your prize. Which, by the way, I am actually announcing we have a surprise addition to the prize. Aside from the things that I mentioned in the previous video, we are also adding this 3D printed model of the Petronas Twin Towers, courtesy of our in-house 3D printer from Cetus 3D. Check them out in the links below. Congratulations and thank you again to all that participated and submitted entries. And now, on to the June challenge. For this month, we will be requesting that you draw this building. The Studio Wheel by the architects of Studio Libeskind. This building is not quite a house because it defies the typology of a house. It also defies somewhat the context that it is in, for its neighbors all have balconies and large windows to take in the Mallorca sea view. There are barely any openings here. This is no ordinary beach home. It is also the first domestic project by Daniel Libeskind, a sort of house and a sort of studio for the artist Barbara Wheel to work in and display her art. Libeskind described it as a landscape as a house, and house as an artist's landscape. It is the collaborative brainchild of two artists, a synergy in values, be they provocative, as well as an approach to form and sculpture. So you guys are free to choose whatever view of the studio veal, be it exterior or interior, and to draw in any medium of your choice. Just be creative and have fun. So for the prize, this month we're giving the winner a drawing set. The winner will receive an Alvin chromatic lead holder with some refills, which is 2B, a set of pencil lengtheners, and also a sketchbook from Alvin. Thank you to Alvin for the prizes for this month. Do check them out and their great products and links provided in the description below. Now, in order for you guys to submit your drawings, please include this full sentence so that we can find you. My submission for @arch_more sketching challenge #Themodmin_JUN18. It's very important that you guys include this whole sentence so that we can find your entry. You can submit your drawing on any social media platform like Instagram or Twitter or Facebook as long as you include this sentence. Please note that your account status has to be public in order for us to see your entry. You can submit through a secondary public account and that's fine. We'll just be mentioning the account that you submitted with. For further clarification, we've included the submission method in the description below. So good luck to everybody. We'll be looking forward to all the submissions. To watch more videos, click on one of the boxes right here. If you're not subscribed yet, click over here and click on the bell icon so that you'll be constantly updated with brand new videos from us. And last but not least, leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching.